Hello student, in this lecture we are going to solve illustration 10 which is given in your textbook page number 45. Students, in this example you are asked to which account the following transaction will be debited and credited in the books of Ranchod described. So students, this question can be solved by preparing a table. Do you know there are three types of account: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Debit effect. In case of personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So in credit effect, person, benefit given person. In debit effect, benefit receiver person. So in any transaction, if the person account affected, then we have to write either in debit effect or credit effect. If the person is receiver, debited, and if the person is giver, credited. Second type of account is real account. What is rule of real account? Real account rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So if any goods or assets comes in, debited, and if the goods or asset goes out, credited. And third is nominal account. Third column cap for nominal account: debit expense losses and credit income gain. So let us start one by one transaction. Ranchod commence business with capital of rupees 50,000. Students, here Ranchod is the owner of the business. Ranchod brought capital of rupees 50,000. This 50,000 brought in cash. Cash is a real account, and due to this transaction cash comes in and debit what comes in. So in debit column, cash account affected, cash account debited. So here we have to write debited to cash account, right? And what will be credit effect? So here owner is giver and owner is a person, so personal account affected. And when owner is giver, then credited to capital account. Owner is giver, credited to capital account. Understand? Other account not affected. So finally we can say that debited to cash account and credited to capital account. Let us start another transaction. Rupees 20,000 deposited with Bank of Baroda. Student, here bank is a person. Bank is a person, and when we deposited money into the bank, bank is receiver, debit the receiver. So for first effect, debit in personal account. This is column of personal account, debited to bank account, debited to bank account, right? And what will be credit effect? The credit effect of this transaction is cash deposited. So student, cash goes out from the business, so credited to cash account, and cash is a real. So this is column of real account, credited to cash account, credited to cash account. Understand? So I understand in second transaction, debited to bank account debited, and credited to cash account. Third number, goods of rupees 2,000 student purchase on cash. When goods purchase on cash, goods come in, and goods is a real account. So which account debited in real account? So goods come in, debited to purchase account. Student, when goods purchase, then debited to purchase account. Goods come in, debited to purchase account, and cash goes out. Cash is a real account. Real means second column. Student, be careful. This is column of personal account, real account, and nominal account. Personal, real, and nominal. Understand? Okay. Goods come in, debited to purchase account, and purchase for cash. So cash goes out. Cash is a real account. So credited to cash account. Which account credited? Cash account credited. Credited to cash account. credited to cash account. Are you understand? Okay. Fourth transaction, goods of rupees 6,000 sold to Radha. Student, here name of person is mentioned. So this is credit transaction. In case of credit transaction, personal account must be affected. So decided Radha is receiver or giver. So we sold goods to Radha. Radha is receiver. So debited to Radha account. Debit the receiver means debited to Radha account. Debited to Radha account. Right? And what will be credit effect? So sold goods go out, so credited to goods account. Goods means sales account. Credited to sales account because goods is a real account. Credited to sales account. Understand? Number 5, goods of rupees 1,000 purchase on cash. Student, purchase means goods come in. When goods come in, debited to purchase account, and purchase is a real account. So second column, debited to purchase account. Debited to purchase account. And second effect, so here cash goes out, so credited to cash account. Credited to cash account. Sixth number, goods of rupees 2,000 purchased from Mira. So you can see that here name of person is mentioned, Mira, and this is credit transaction. So in credit transaction, one account must be affected, Mira, personal account Mira, as well as here goods purchased on credit. So goods comes in, debit what comes in. So first effect, debit effect, debited to purchase account because goods comes in. And what will be second effect? The second effect is Mira is given, and Mira is a person. So according to rule of personal account, credit the giver. So Mira account credited to Mira account, credited to Mira account. Understand? Next seven number, purchase furniture of rupees 1,000. Here furniture comes in. Purchase means furniture. When any asset purchase, asset account debited, and asset is a real account. So in the second column, debited to furniture account. Debited to furniture account. And cash purchase, because name of person is not given, cash goes out. So cash is a real account. So effect in second column, credited to cash account. Understand? Number 8, sundry expense incurred for rupees 300. Here incur means paid. Incur means paid. So sundry expense account affected, and it is nominal account. And according to rule of nominal account, debit expense and losses. So in third column, debited to sundry expense account. Debited to sundry expense account, right? And what will be second effect? Paid would indicate that paid by cash. Cash goes out. So cash is a real account. So in the second column, credited to cash account. Understand? Okay, dividend received rupees 200. Student, receive would indicate that income, and this income received by check. Be careful. Student, dividend received on shares of the company always received by check. So if this transaction effect on bank, and bank is receiver because our income is received. So first is benefit receiver bank. So debited to bank account. Debited to bank account, right? And what will be second effect? So you can see that dividend received is an income. Income means nominal account. So credited to dividend account in the last column, nominal. Credited to dividend account. Understand? Number 10, wages paid. Student, paid would indicate that expense incurred. Expense is a nominal account. So debit expenses. Which type of expense incurred? Wages, to debit it to wages account. And second effect, cash goes out. So credited to cash account, credited to cash account. Number 11, machine of rupees 15,000 purchased from Ramesh Brothers. Student, here machine purchase, machine comes in. Debit, what comes in? So machine is a real account, debited to machine account. Debited to machine account. Student, real account. And Ramesh brother is giver. So credited to credit the giver. So effect on personal account, credited to Ramesh brothers account, credited to Ramesh brothers account. Are you understand? Okay, student, one clarification with you. In examination, transactions are already given, means question given in the question paper. You are required to write only answer in the following manner. You have to keep serial number, debit effect 3 column and credit effect 3 column. You are not required to keep the column of transaction in examination. Here, for your better understanding, I have prepared a column of transaction, but in examination transaction column not required. Are you understand? Okay.